Properly photographing your work is very important because it documents your evidence of learning. When taking photographs of your work, you want to be as close as possible. You want to line it up within the frame and that it reads in an upright position. Basically, the edges of the work are touching the edges of the screen on your camera. If your work only covers part of the page, feel free to zoom in so that it fills the space. You'll notice it's well lit and there's no shadows or reflections. Don't include excessive background space. Take a photograph in poor lighting or do a selfie. This is about your work. Also, don't include other objects or animals in your photographs. Brightspace Pulse allows you to use Brightspace on any iOS device, like a cell phone. Brightspace Portfolio allows you to document your work and automatically brings it into Brightspace. Check out on YouTube the How to Use Brightspace Portfolio for Students. You put time and effort into completing the assignment. Therefore, it is important to take the time to properly document your work.